A very beautiful New Year's Eve 2017, January 1st puppies. Just born today on New Year. Oh, very beautiful. You see this one? Beautiful leather nose.
Yeah, exactly.
Cutie. Very cute.
2 black
Mm-hmm.
and 2 chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah. And one each color, a boy and a girl. Very cool.
And this is Mama, Julieta.
Yes.
And this is Chuck, father. Chuck.
Chuck.
Chuck. Good boy, good boy. Very good boy. Oh, I love you. And yeah. And beautiful puppy. They sleep right now.
Yeah.
Show again, please.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very cool. Look. Very cool. Very cool puppies. Very cool. Mama wanna feed them. Oh, you see? You see?
She protected.
Yeah.
Very protective of her puppies. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.